Hi, my name is Dr. Dave Pratt. I've been thinking a lot about and wanted to share with you today my thoughts about extra credit. Please, can I have extra credit? And then somebody just asked me. They were like, Pratt, what do I have to do? I will do anything. Extra credit. Just please. I really need an A. No. I don't believe in extra credit. Again, first of all, if you do give extra credit, you have to give everybody the same opportunity. It can't be just for one person that begs for it. And they were making that face. But it doesn't. I want the grade. Let's say a final grade. Let's say you get C's on all of your work throughout the semester, and that's an accurate measure of how well you learned it. An average 70% is still kind of proficient in a way. You're not failing or anything, but C is the level in which you performed. Well, it doesn't make any sense at all to do a bunch of extra credit to move it to an A, because an A is not the level in which you performed. It's the level in which you're motivated to get an A because you're doing all this extra work. But I think this class has been very fair. If you've done all your work and watched all of the videos carefully, taken notes, put some time into the assignments, you have a fair grade. It's a fair indication of how much you learned. There's no need for extra credit at that point. So people usually don't ask me because I think most people are pretty satisfied with their grades and they're accurate. I think when more and more people beg for extra credit, it's probably because you're unfair and people feel like it's not a fair representation of their ability or what they can do. So that's important to think about. And the other thing about extra credit is if there's something I really want you to do, sometimes I did, when I first started teaching, give extra credit for extra things like, oh, go teach junior achievement and I'll give you 20 extra points. Extra credit points. Because I can't make everybody do that, but I could bribe them. See? That's bad. If you want to teach junior achievement because of the intrinsic value and the additional experience that you have, that's great. I should have that available for you and give you all those opportunities. But why bribe? Why bribe you to do that? Thank you for watching this video. And I'm really curious to know your take on extra credit. Please comment below whether it's a perspective from a student or an educator like myself. I'm really interested in hearing your takes. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you again for watching.